Hey, what's up YouTube? Another unboxing video. As some of you know, when I was at the Sundown show, I broke my Clarion. Turned out to be the power supply went bad, and as well as the internal fan on the radio itself was unplugged. So what I went ahead and do is sold it, as I could not do nothing with it, or rather gave it away. In exchange, what I went ahead and purchased was a new single den now. No longer running double den, even though I still would love to, but let's just get to that main guts first and foremost. Did business with a guy on Keiko, so this is all fresh unboxing. This is all his packaging. And here's the faceplate. Well, the case is an Eclipse radio. I'll hold that captive for now. Looks like we have the wire harness here. Not too bad. See what else we have in here. Pretty decent pack. Pretty actually good packaging. Wow. And here it is. Let's try to get everything out the box first. So here's the remote. I think that's it. That's on here. Yep, so let's go ahead and toss that to the side. And let's unravel this. And hello, copper chassis. Waited a long time for this. Let's turn the light. There we go. Can't tap the zoom as I only have one hand. Let's see. There we go, much better. Yeah, it's definitely copper chassis. Shiny. And that's what I have. CD 7200 Mach Dos. Looks like this is the USB cord. Still in damn good condition, actually. And this one has been pre-modified from Sound Drive. As of course I am running the RCAs in my vehicle installation. Direct RCA leads coming out of the radio. Wow. This just feels so freaking good. Yep, 8-volt pre-out for the win. Alright, let's take out the faceplate here. See if I can open with one hand or not. There we go. So again, Eclipse. And the screen's still pretty good condition. Not too bad for being manufactured in 2008. And this will be the new radio that I'll be using.